Hey guys, welcome back to Akiva's Hair. And for this video, we're going to be talking about why you should grow out your sides. So if you're new to the journey, I've been growing out my sides for the past 5 or 6 months, I think. I started in May. We're now in October. We're in the end of October now, and I've been doing it from May. So let's do the maths. Let's do the quick maths. How many months is that? That sounds like 6. So yeah, for the past 6 months, I've had it come from just a taper fade from the sides to what we can see now, and now I'm able to have it come down and have it braided to the side a little bit. So yeah, it's been lit, man. But let's talk about some of the tips that I've done. So within that time frame, what have helped me fast track me growing out the sides of my hair, and I'll show some pictures as well, like what it used to look like from when I first started and then throughout as the journey continued. So within the first month, I'm not doing nothing. I'm literally growing out the sides. So I'm not applying any oils. I'm not doing nothing. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Obviously, it's going to be growing. Once it starts to get to the shape where it has an onion shape with the curls, that's what you call new growth. New growth is going to be growing from the hair, from the scalp. Once you start getting that onion shape and it has that little curl, that's when you can start doing your applications for oils. But yeah, let's go through some of the oils that I was using. So yeah, this is what I was primarily using. This is Elysium's growth oil. Now this is sunflower oil is the main ingredient in this list as well. I really do like it. Of course, it's got castor oil and avocado oil, grapeseed oil. It's got a bunch of essential oils that I use carefully that can work. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this and I did see some growth. So I'll definitely give a big shout out to Elysium. I've got a tutorial on that as well. The other stuff that I was using, I'm a rosemary fanatic, so using rosemary all the time. Been using rosemary this whole year. Seen lots of regrowth, seen lots of thickness. My hair's become a lot more thicker as the months have gone past. But yeah, I've been using this. And this. And this. And I do have Camille Rose's one as well, but I don't think it's at the house. So yeah, once it has that onion shape, that's when you can start using your oils. And I'll show you what the onion shape looks like here. When you're in that stage, what you can do is use a derma roller. So I was using a derma roller on the sides, and I was doing that almost daily. And then I'll take like a week break, because obviously you can get bumps on this. So the way that it works is, you see this little thing here, it's got micro blades. With the microblades, what happens is each time that you're rolling on top of your scalp or on the sides of your hair, whatever, on your face, it's basically going to be plucking. So any hair that can come out, it'll kind of puncture, and then it should be able to open it up and allow more blood flow to get through to the area. And essentially that's going to be boosting potential areas where you could get regrowth or growth. So yeah, I really do like using a derma roller. I've seen lots of results, not just for the hair, but for the beard as well. So obviously that's been a game changer for me. So yeah, once it's had that onion shape, you want to be applying your oils. You can be using this daily, because it's only the side, so you're not going to do the full head of hair if you don't want to. And then using a derma roller around 3 to 5 times a week. And then obviously you want to take strategic breaks whenever you feel like you're either getting bumps or you feel like you're doing too much. So now this is the part that you're waiting for. Now, what are you going to be doing to hide it? So essentially the key for you to get to the part where you can grow out the sides is you want to hide it. Now, within the time frame of when it was onion shaped, it doesn't look that ugly. So you're in the ugly stage now, quote unquote. So yeah, when you're in the ugly stages, you want to have styles like this, probably at the back, where we'll just cover the back. So you're going to have rope twists, you're going to have single plaits, you're going to have mini twist or whatever that should be able to cover the sides until you get to the part where it can braid. So yeah, that's going to be the next step. So now you're at the step where you can braid or you slick it back or whatever. So now when it can braid, what you want to do is you want to spam Pop Smoke braids. Yeah, I spammed Pop Smoke braids 3 times in a row. So I had this braid here, that was a crisscross Pop Smoke braid, and then I also had a Chrome Heart stitch braids, which is a Pop Smoke braid as well. And then what that does is it braids the sides together, And then as it's braided down, you don't need to use the derma roller anymore. Now you can just apply the oil and it's all part of the full head of hair. You want to leave it in for a reasonable or considerable amount of time, maybe about 3 to 4 weeks or whatever. And then you want to take it out. But yeah, your takedown process is important, and then what you're using as a shampoo. So you, of course, you want to shampoo like normal. You want to use the shampoo that you'd use for the head of the hair. Just because you're growing out the sides, it doesn't mean that it has to have a different level of care. Care is always going to be the same. And of course, you're going to want to use a deep conditioner or a conditioner on the wash day. So when you're using your products on wash day, you want to massage your scalp. So you want to massage the sides, you want to massage the area that you're trying to grow. And then of course, when you're using a deep conditioner, you want to have it in for a specific amount of time so that you are getting the best benefit from it. So yeah, your wash day is crucial if you want to be seeing some rapid growth, or you want to be seeing some early signs of it being able to get to the part where you can braid it. Now, this is the level that you kind of want to be at in the next 6 months. You want to be here where you can stitch braid the side and it can go like this, and you can have rope twist. Now, obviously this is not starting from the side of my hair because, you know, I'm still trying to grow some of it, so I still got some of it here. But yeah, I'm at the level now where I can do this, so I'm a bit more flexible with the styles that I can have. I can either do Pop Smoke's braids again, where it's going to be using all of the hair on the side and it's going to be going down, or I can do sides like this where I can just have the little twist or the little curls at the back. What you also got to remember is everybody's hair type is different. Everybody's hair DNA, let's just say hair DNA, because obviously you got your porosity type, you got your hair type, you've got your density, your hair texture. These are all things that are going to be specifically towards you. So me and you could have the similar hair type, but our porosities may be different. So, or you're maybe from a place, maybe you're from a completely different place to me. So your ethnicity also can take a toll on how rapid or quick your hair can grow. So there's so many different factors, but what you can learn is the techniques. So the technique can help, the tools that can help as well. The instruments that you're using, like the derma roller or the oils, or finding out what the best things to use. So yeah, I would definitely recommend sunflower oil, jojoba oil, almond mint oil, and rosemary oil, and of course Jamaican castor oil as well. So yeah, that's the end of my video. For future videos and future routines, definitely follow your boy. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos exactly like this as well, just sitting down and talking. And yeah, peace out. I'm out here looking like John Wick. It's crazy. You know, where I work, we always wear black, so whenever you step outside, you always want to wear black now. It's crazy. I had a turtleneck in the last vid, a black turtleneck. Now I'm wearing a black shirt. You know the boy, clean. I'm having a brain freeze right now. That's what I did. I spam pop pumps. I can't even speak right now.